Hi, I'm Colin Beal. I'm an applications engineer here at Voyis, and today we'll be integrating the Discovery Stereo Inspection Series camera on a Deep Trekker REVOLUTION. One of the things at Voyis that we wanted to do was make sure our camera was super easy to integrate with any variety of ROV on the market. And today we're going to show you how to do that with the Deep Trekker REVOLUTION. For this integration, what you're going to need is your Deep Trekker REVOLUTION, the Voyis and Deep Trekker Inspection Series skid, your Inspection Series camera, 2 of your Mini Nova LEDs, and then the mounting hardware for the stereo and the Mini Novas. All right, so the first step is we're actually going to flip the skid upside down so we have easier access to the hole pattern below to mount the camera. Now, we're going to take the camera, go to the front of the skid, and line it up with these 4 holes, which match our mounting hole pattern on the bottom of the camera. The Discovery Stereo camera has mounting holes on both the bottom and the top of the camera. So you're gonna wanna make sure to line up the camera so when we flip this back over, it's right side up. We're gonna put the screws in the mounting holes and start tightening them up. Don't tighten them up all the way until you have all 4 screws in. We're just gonna go around and make sure that they're tight, but not over tightened. Once we have the camera fully tightened into the skid, we're going to flip the skid back over and attach the lights. First step is we're going to extend our arm. So just unscrew this thumb wheel here and tighten it back down. And then we're going to line up these 3 mounting holes with these 3 holes on the LED platform, making sure that the CRE connector is pointing towards the camera. And now we're going to repeat the same process for the other light. All right, now that we have both lights installed, we're going to connect the LEDs to the Discovery Stereo camera using our LED cables. We're going to take off the connector cap on both the LED and the camera. And then we're going to use the key to guide us into the LED. So we just want to line it up. You don't need to force the connection and just tighten it up finger tight. And then we're going to walk the cable along the arm here, in through the side of the skid. The same thing, we're going to line up our key with the camera connector. One, 2, 3, lift. Today we'll be using 2 tethers to achieve the full capabilities of the Discovery Stereo Inspection Series. We want to use a fiber optic cable. My version of the Deep Trekker REVOLUTION is only copper, which is why I need to use the 2 tethers. So the first thing we're going to do is connect the ROV tether to the ROV. And then you're only going to want to tighten this up finger tight. And then we're going to connect our strain relief up, fit it through there. And then we're going to lock this into place with our locking pins. And then we'll connect our fiber optic cable to the Discovery Stereo inspection. Now that we've connected both tethers to the camera and the ROV, we're going to securely fasten the fiber optic bottle to the back of the skid and clip it onto the ROV. We're going to take a lifting graded carabiner, connect it to the tether and the back of the ROV for additional strain relief, and we're ready to go.